Good morning, students. This lesson is of class 6th for the subject of history. Chapter 5, The Vedic Civilization, starting on page number 41 of your textbook, titled Past and Present 6, and is being submitted to you on 2nd August 2021. This voice is of Millie Bhatnagar. Students, in this chapter, we will study about Aryans. The word Aryan is originated from the Sanskrit word Arya, meaning noble. The historians believe that their original home was in Central Asia. As the population of the Indo-Europeans increased, they were probably forced to move out of their original homeland owing to difficulties. While some settled in Europe and Western Asia, others came to India. The Aryans who came to India and settled here were called as Indo-Aryans. Though there are other theories also with regard to their homeland, the Central Asian theory is most acceptable. The Aryans entered India in stages. The early Aryans first settled around the river Indus and its tributaries. The area came to be known as the Saptasindhu region. Gradually, the Aryans started settling in the Gangetic Valley, and this period came to be known as the Later Vedic period. The early phase was called as the Early Vedic or the Rig Vedic period. The most important sources of the information of this period are the Vedas, the Rig Veda, Samved, Yajurved, and the Atharvaved. The early Vedic period. As this period is called as Rig Vedic period, the main source of information is the Rig Veda. The political organization. The Aryans were divided into Jan or tribes. The Jan had a number of villages under it. Each village had a number of families. So the lowest unit of social and political organization was the family. The chief of the tribe, Rajan, was generally chosen by the people if they considered the person worthy of becoming a ruler. The Rajan was assisted by many officials. The Senani was the leader of the army. The Purohit or the chief priest was the friend philosopher and the king's guide. The Gramani kept the Rajan informed about the activities in the village. There were two main assemblies. Sabha was the council of elder members of the tribe who gave advice to the king on important matters. The Samiti was the general assembly of the people of a tribe. The autocracy of the king was limited by the two assemblies. The basic division was between the Aryans and the local people who were called as the Dasas or the Dasyus. Later on, we will find four social groups in the society: the Brahmins, Kshatriyas, the Vaishyas, and the Shudras. The Brahmins looked after religious and spiritual matters, studied Shastras, and performed sacrifices. The Kshatriyas were brave and skillful warriors who fought wars. Vaishyas, who worked as cultivators, craftsmen, merchants, and traders. Shudras, who worked as slaves and served the above three groups. The division of society was not very rigid. People could marry in other castes and change their occupation according to their needs. As already studied, the family was the lowest unit of the social organization. The father was generally the head of the family and was called as Kulap or Grihapati. In Rig Vedic times, women were highly respected both inside and outside the home. They participated in all the religious ceremonies with their husbands. Girls were educated and not married at a tender age. The early Aryans worshipped forces of nature. The main gods associated with the nature were Indra, Agni, Varun, Maruts. People also performed sacrifices. They offered milk, grains, ghee to the gods. They mainly prayed for more crops, cattle, health, progeny, and prosperity. The early Vedic period had agriculture and cattle rearing as the main occupation. The Aryans attached great importance to cattle. The prosperity of the Aryans was determined in terms of cattle. The larger the number of cows, the richer a person was considered. A number of other crafts existed in the Rigvedic age. The Rigved refers to weavers, dyers, metal workers, carpenters, tanners, and potters. Students, we will continue with this chapter next week. Please read page number 41 to 44 of your textbook. With this, we end this session. Thank you.